Hey, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, here to pass on some information for those of you who have properties that have been affected and damaged by the wildfires. Maybe you have friends or family that could benefit from this information. I'm going to share some information that could hopefully benefit you. So the county assessor has sent out an email to most of us realtors. It's just got information on what you can do. If you have had damage to a property, this can hopefully provide some relief. So the email says that taxpayers whose properties have been destroyed or severely damaged by these fires may be eligible for disaster relief on annual property tax bills, including in some cases refunds of taxes already paid. So what I'm going to do is provide the link in this email for you to go to a site where you can fill out a claim and see if you would be eligible. By filing a claim for misfortune and calamity relief within 1 year, properties that have sustained a minimum of $10,000 in damage may be eligible for a refund of taxes already paid and lower annual tax bills until the property is repaired or rebuilt. So certainly there's somebody out there that you know who's been affected by the wildfires. Pass this information on to them. Hopefully it'll help them in recovering some of their losses. Make it a great day. Meantime, we'll see you on the next video.